Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Tuesday, December 4th. It was a quiet, mixed overnight trade last night, backing off a little bit now with the soybean complex. Beans down around 3 to 5 cents, but once again they were on the positive side throughout the night. Meal's down around 50 cents, soybean oil down 25 points. Those being the strongest yesterday. And corn and wheat are up roughly around 1 to 2 cents, but like I said, they were a little bit on the defensive early. So it looks like that's how the day's going to be shaping up. There's not much in the way of fresh news. If we did start off the month and the week yesterday and trying to be a little bit optimistic towards this month with South America growing weather still in front of us, lack of farmer selling, potentially the U.S. is making some inroads into the export arena. I guess after it was all said and done yesterday, I'm a little disappointed with what happened with the open interest. We were down in the neighborhood of around 2,000 in beans, down around 4,000 in the corn, 7,000 in the oil, 600 in the meal, around 2,000 in the wheat. You would think that if we were starting off a fresh week and month with some buying enthusiasm, it just wasn't there as far as the open interest goes. So there was a little bit of a downer. Overnight news as far as tender activity goes, Japan is looking for optional origin wheat, but Taiwan bought some Brazilian corn. It's touted on the wires that they're still around $25 a ton cheaper than U.S. prices, so that's not good. Taiwan also passed on U.S. beans because of price being too high. Nothing really new in the weather front. Argentina is still on the wet side, but then drying out down the road. Still continues to keep them behind in their planting pace. Brazil's okay. Still kind of dry conditions for the winter wheat crop here in the U.S. if you're following that. But crop conditions have ceased for the remainder of the year. Other than that, the deliveries, still no meal. Corn and soybean oil issued and stopped by the street. The wheat we saw Dreyfus reissue the wheat that they stopped the prior day. Other than that, like I say, it's pretty much a quiet. Tomorrow there's going to be a Canadian production report coming on out. They're looking for higher Canadian wheat and canola production. And Australia overnight lowered their wheat production numbers by roughly 500,000 tons. So you can see it's far and few between as far as news goes. Once again, looking for a quiet two-sided trade, but still being a little bit more optimistic than pessimistic as far as, once again, trying to get this month started. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.